Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the best source clips you have, because HDR relies on wide tonal information. Import your highest resolution files and match frame rate immediately. Once done, place the primary clip on the timeline and trim rough in point and out point so you work on the exact sequence. Make sure clip-level color tools are enabled. This gives you independent control per shot. From here, you'll apply exposure and color corrections that build an HDR look, rather than a single flat fix. Now you craft the look. Start with exposure, raise midtones, pull highlights down a touch, and lift shadows to keep detail in bright and dark areas. Next, use curves to create a gentle S-curve for contrast while protecting highlights. Then target HSL to dial skin tones and skies without oversaturating everything. Once balanced, add a subtle LUT or built-in film preset and reduce its opacity to blend. This adds color character while keeping dynamic detail preserved across the image. Finish by masking any stubborn highlights or shadows. Use a soft mask to locally recover detail or warm skin tones where needed. Then apply mild sharpening and light grain to unify the look across clips. Before export, preview on multiple screens to confirm highlight roll-off and color. Export using the best codec and bitrate Capcut offers. If you see clipping or crushed blacks, reopen levels and reduce contrast or tone down the LUT. One quick troubleshooting tip. If colors shift on playback, toggle the export color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.